there will be fitna, that means anarchy, during which a sitting person will be better than a standing one, and the standing one will be better than the walking one, and the walking one will be better than the running one, and whoever will expose himself to this fitna, they will destroy him. So, whoever can find a place of protection or refuge from them should take shelter in it. Al Hadith Sahih Al Bukhari, Hadith number 2192.